guys, I took Jordan's Buy 9 to 5 course to learn more about YouTube, because I was a complete newbie. I had no idea what to do on YouTube. So therefore I decided to purchase his courses, and they've helped me a lot. I mean, I know a lot more now compared to before. So I never had any idea about keyword research, how to make thumbnails, title, how you need to write a title, description for YouTube, and the whole process really. So I believe this course really helped me because I was struggling with all this prior to, like, you know, buying this course. So what I really like about his course is also he's got case studies, so you can see exactly what he's doing and how he's doing it. He shows you the full training. So if you guys are complete newbies or you're already in the game, I definitely think this course is going to help you. So if you're on the edge thinking, should I buy this, should I not, I would definitely say yes, go for it, because it's all the knowledge that you're getting, and definitely you can obviously make really good income at the end of the day. So why not? So I hope, you know, it can help you, and I hope this video helps you in making a decision. So thank you.